Do you see the pattern here? Jami has Zeba ask her family for something. Furniture, money. Zeba does as she is asked. Jami's sister finds out and she questions Jami why he did that. Jami puts all blame on Zeba. Jami's sister scolds Zeba. One thing is clear, that Jami has a lot of bad habits that his siblings and father are blind to, because he has built this narrative around himself that he's caring and loving and always ready to help his siblings out. And because of course he is serving their father. Now what he is doing to Zeba is using her as a scapegoat. Anytime something goes wrong, he blames Zeba. And honestly, I can't help but wonder what he used to do when he was not married. But then we have Jami's older sister, the one that got Zeba married to Jami in the first place. The one that told Zeba that Jami में अच्छी आदतें डालने की जिम्मेदारी तुम्हारी. The one who said that मुझे पता था तुम बहुत patient होगी क्योंकि तुम्हारी माँ भी बहुत patient थी. Which makes me think that शायद she knows Jami's reality but is just pretending to not know. क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए, if she has any common sense, she would be able to put 2 and 2 together. Especially when discussing gifts they brought from the honeymoon. Jami said कि मैंने बोला था कि भाई मेरे बहन भाइयों के लिए ले लो गिफ्ट्स, वरना ये तो लेती ही नहीं, etc etc. He took all the credit and now suddenly it's Zeba's fault because she was the one जो जिद कर रही थी कि सबके लिए गिफ्ट्स ले जाना जरूरी है. और फिर शुरू होती हैं जामी की बड़ी बहन की बड़ी बड़ी बातें, जिन बातों में आके ज़ेबा की माँ ने अपनी बेटी की जिंदगी अपने हाथों से खराब की है. हमारे घर में ये सब नहीं होता, हम बीवियों के घर वालों से पैसे और चीजें नहीं मांगते, और अच्छा होगा ये तुम जामी के अंदर ये आदत नहीं डालो. अगेन विद द आदत डालने वाली बात. ऐसी कौन सी बीवी है जो एक आदमी के अंदर कोई नई आदत डाल सकती है? This is again a case of a woman who has been married for like 2-3 months to a man being blamed for years and years of bad parenting by the people who raised him.